Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we have a special guest.
Oh, that's me. I'm
Yes.
Papa Lolo.
This is my papa. So we will be unboxing what this Wednesday season 2 blind bag together.
Oh, what is inside? Wow. Is there money inside?
There's something inside.
There's something inside? Money?
It's not money, but there's something. Okay. We have like a spider web squishy.
Wow.
Wait,
Spider web cushy?
squishy.
Cushy.
Squishy.
Cushy.
Because you can squish it. Let's see what... Okay, wait. I forgot to show the rarities. We have common, uncommon, rare, and legendary. So
what is that?
let's see what we got. You, legendary.
Legendary.
The best score there. Okay.
Okay.
We have a Wednesday squishy. Then we have like Wednesday makeup toy. Let's unbox it.
What is that? Okay.
It's a little bit hard to cut this. We'll cut it from the side. Okay, let's see what we have.
We have a spider moving around
No.
you.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a spider.
Okay, we have a mystery character. So, but first, we apply this special Wednesday makeup for no reason.
Wow. What is that?
Okay, now we... Okay, and we'll apply it. There. I don't know what it does. It does nothing. We just put that on for no reason. Let's see what mystery character we have. Who do you guess?
Mystery character.
Who do you guess? Do you think it's Enid or Agnes?
It's
Do you get...
Genie.
No. Do you guess? Wait,
Oh.
who do you think it is? Do you think the mystery character is Enid or Agnes?
Enid.
Enid or Agnes? Who do you think the mystery character is?
It's Agnes.
Agnes?
Agnes. Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Write your answer in the comments to see. Okay. You got it wrong.
Oh, I'm wrong. Who is it?
Okay, I'll reveal it in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you commented Enid, you are correct.
Enid. And what do they get? They will get 1 peso.
No. Their comment will get a heart if you guessed it right.
Oh, a heart.
A heart on your comment. Then we apply this special thing again on it this time. So we get more of this thing. Okay, now we get it. apply it to the face. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today's video.
Oh,
So bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe.
okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.